Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel and happy April. So it suddenly became April like a long time, but since Easter is coming up, I decided to make an Easter egg project to show you guys. So here's how the project will turn out. So as you can see, I'm just going to my projects, and this was my latest. It's so cute, and if you don't know who Akshaya is, she's my friend. So let's go down and see this one. This is the one I'm gonna teach you how to make. You can make your own backdrop, your own eggs. So here's how you're supposed to make the eggs. So these eggs, they appear in different places. They're like in the rainbow order, pastel rainbow order, and you're supposed to click on them. And then when you click on them, the eggs variable increases by 1. So I'm going to teach you all of that today. So let's get started. Also, if you haven't checked this out, here's another reminder that this studio, you at the end of spring, you won't be able to add any more projects. So I'm just reminding you, you can add any projects you want. So yeah, this is a quick reminder. So please add lots of projects that are related to spring only. So then you get to see all these projects if you want to see the studio. So I'm going to send you the link of the studio in the link below. So you can go check that out right now. Okay, after this video ends if you want. So just let's just get started with the project now. So see this one, remember this if you are flower too, that one I added, and this is a real if you are flower. So yeah guys, let's get started. Boo. Phew, we've been talking lots of nonsense now. Let's get started with this collect the Easter egg project. So let's first click the create button. And now I'm just gonna spend my time making an egg. So first we're gonna pick the backdrop. You can pick hearts, colorful city, anything that's colorful. So the Easter eggs look like they're camouflage. So let's go ahead and paint the egg. Click on the paint button and name the sprite egg. And then name this egg 1. So egg 1 is the first egg. So what we have to do is we can zoom closer to make the egg smaller. Then we can draw a circle like this, but we don't need the outline. So this egg needs to be smaller because if it's small, then it would really look like an Easter egg. So remember in my last project, if you haven't checked it out, you can just go check that out on my profile. It's also in the link below. So all you have to do is just click see all projects, and then you can see all my projects. So then just find that one that says Easter Bunny U, and in that project, you can design your own Easter Bunny and stuff like that. So I think this is the correct size for the egg I want. So now we're gonna make the juicy highlights. So first we're gonna move to white, 1 dot here, and a juicy here. There. So now we're gonna make the color. So it's gonna be red. And then the next one is egg 2, which is already named. Now we're gonna make this one pink. And now we're gonna make the next one egg 3, which is orange. And then egg 4 is yellow. So it's like going in a rainbow order as you are putting the colors. So they'll just switch to a random color whenever you click the flag. They won't go in rainbow order though, just random. Now egg 5. For egg 5, we need to do green. I really don't know how to make a darker green, but this is okay, because I don't want it to be too harsh. Okay, now we're gonna make some blue. And now we're gonna make indigo for egg 7. And then you can keep going like this and add as many colors you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add violet now, since that's rainbow order. So violet is like a light purple. Yeah, it's not too harsh. It's my favorite color. Okay, now we're gonna add brown. You don't have to do this. You can add brown if you want. It's no problem. Okay, so let me teach you how to make brown. So all you have to do is just go to the orange, make it dark. So then select the brightness and you can make it to brown and then fill it in. There we go. And then duplicate this, and for egg 10, we're gonna make it black. Actually, we're gonna make it gray because we don't want it to be too harsh. And then later we're gonna do black, the next one, for egg 11. Yep, now we're gonna do black. Boom. So I don't want to do a white egg. It's just the color. Okay, so now let's get started with this awesome project. So one green flag clicked. We're gonna drag out a one green flag clicked. We are also gonna make a wearable called eggs. So this egg variable will show you how many eggs you've collected in this game. So when green flag clicked, we're gonna set eggs to 0. And then when the sprite clicked, we're gonna go to random position. And when this sprite clicked, then it's gonna hide. So first in the when green flag clicked, it's gonna show, and then we're gonna hide it because it's gonna hide. So watch this. When we click on the sprite, it'll hide, but it's not showing up again. So it's gonna go to random position. This is like a quick little project that you can make. So and then you can change the wearable by 1 because we have to change the eggs by 1 because we've collected 1 egg, and then we're gonna change the color. So it's gonna set color to pick random. So let's switch costume. Let's duplicate this and duplicate this. And we're gonna do 1 to 11 because there are 11 eggs. Or are there 12? Yep, there are only 11. So pick random 1 to 11 for both of them and put these inside the circles. Now we're gonna put one of them in the green flag clicked and then another one here. Now we're gonna do wait 1 second and then show again. It's gonna show up again. That means. So let's test this project out, this awesome project. Woo. So see, there's the egg, it's black, click on it. Ooh, it's black again, click, red. As you can see, the eggs are increasing. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play some music. This is kind of getting boring, so let's do this. So you know what, I'm gonna add this Look at Me song. I like that song. It's just so cool. And for this one, we're using pop. It's gonna play sound pop. It's gonna start sound pop if you want a sound. And then go to the backdrops, drag out this block, and then drag out a one green flag clicked. And then forever loop. There, now it's gonna play some music. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the backdrop because this is gonna be second project. So let's go ahead and add a costume to it. I'm gonna add, which one should I add? What would be a cool way to add them? I think I'm gonna add the Easter eggs over here because actually under a tree maybe, or in a theater. I think I'm gonna do the tree because the tree looks much more better. If the Easter eggs are under a tree, that would be more normal. So yeah, guys, that's the project. I mean, that was really quick, but I really need to go now because I'm very busy today. So let's just go ahead and name this project real quick. So let's just do that. Okay guys, so I'm done with the instructions and now I'm gonna say I added this project to the Spring and Easter studio. Go check it out. So as you can see, I have another one because so as you can see, I have another tab. So I'm just gonna copy paste that. So let's go ahead and go to that studio. So first I'm going to click on it, this, because it's in the studio already. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna find that studio. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm in the studio and I'm just gonna add that project right here. Just gonna add this one and just gonna copy paste it. So for Mac, you need to do Command C and then Command V. But if you want to do, if you have a like a Google laptop or something like that, then you can use the Control C, Control V thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share that project because if I do Control C, Control V over here, it doesn't work. See? So yeah, guys. You like this studio. So if you like that Look at Me song, just tell me in the comments down below if you like it or if you want a new song. So the most votes for if you want a new song, then I'll make a new song. But if you want this song the whole time, then I'll change this the exogenous to in the outro of this video. I'm just gonna change it. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's share this project already, man. Okay, now let's add it to the studio. I'm just gonna go ahead to that studio and let's go find it. Yeah, that was the original project and then we're gonna watch that later. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm just gonna add this to the studio and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm over here at the studio and now let's go ahead and do browse projects and get this project here. Boom. So guys, I am really sorry that this is the last chance you get to add your project. Otherwise, then you can only comment. But if you want, you can just check out that studio. I have no problems. It's just your choice. You wanna wait until spring ends. This whole spring break, the studio will be open, but for you to add projects. But at the end of spring and the start of summer, then you won't be able to add any more projects. So I'm really sorry if you couldn't add any projects. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I hope you liked it. So yeah, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this amazing Learn Sketch video, and I can't wait to see you in the next amazing Learn Sketch video. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my amazing Learn Sketch videos. Don't forget to comment what kind of project you want next, and don't forget to click the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on any of my amazing Learn Sketch videos. Bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So I can't wait to see you in the next amazing Learn Sketch video. Bye guys, and I might even start a Learn Sketch blog later. It's gonna be so much fun. I can't believe. Okay, so yeah, guys, let me just find that things over here. Yeah, if you didn't understand me, just slow down a little bit. So yeah. Oh yeah, remember in my last video, I think I changed the thing, so it kind of looks different. So if you can't see that TH and thanks for watching, then just look really close. It's there. It's there. Okay. Okay. Okay, bye guys.